I love celebrating special days with my family. Last week, we celebrated Mother's Day, and my dad and I worked hard on the preparations to surprise her. First, we went shopping, and I bought her a beautiful handbag and a cute card. I wrote, "Happy Mother's Day. You are the best mom in the world," inside it. My dad also bought her a gold necklace and some perfume. Then, we prepared a delicious dinner and a yummy vanilla cake together. We set everything up for a nice party with the whole family in our garden. When she saw it, Mom was very surprised and so happy.
This is the most amazing gift. I love you both so much.
When I am lost, you show the way. You turn my night into a brighter day. With every hug, you make things right. You are my star, my guiding light.
Oh, Mom, you're my heart, my sweetest song. With you is where I truly belong. Through every smile, through every tear,
I feel your love always near.